This video explains how to register as an organization administrator in Catalyst Professional. If your organization has purchased entitlements to any of the Catalyst software, this is the account that manages access for all users. As a designated OrgAdmin, you'll receive an invitation email. Open the email and click the link to begin the registration process. You'll be taken to a sign-in page where you'll be prompted to skip, decline, or accept the invitation. Once you accept the invitation, create your account by entering your name, the same email address that received the invitation, a password, and a country. Take your time to read the terms and conditions here. When you're done, check off the box before clicking Sign Up. Now that you're signed in successfully using your new credentials, you can head over to the OrgAdmin dashboard. Here, you can manage user groups, invite new users, assign permissions, and control access to your organization's licenses. On the dashboard, you'll find sections for users, user groups, and license settings. The user section is where you add members to your license. User groups let you organize your team by role or department. In the licenses section, you can view all your entitlements along with their keys and the consumption information. You are now registered as an organization administrator and can add users into the account. To add a user, navigate to the User section and click the Invite button. Here, you can enter in their name and email, or you can import a two-field CSV with that information. Once you've entered the user information, select the groups you would like them to be a part of, and click Invite. They will receive an email invitation to create an account and sign in under the organization. Review the OrgAdmin user guide to learn about other dashboard functionality. In this section, I'll show how users accept an organization invitation and activate their license access. If you've been added to an account with a Catalyst Professional license, you'll receive an email invitation. Open the email and click View Your Invitation. Once you accept the invitation, you'll be taken to a sign-in page. Create your account using the same email the invitation was sent to. Enter your details and set a password. Take some time to go through the terms and conditions, and when you're done, check the box and sign up. Your account is now created and signed in under your organization. When you launch Catalyst Professional, your organization's license will automatically be recognized and applied. If you plan to use Catalyst on more than one machine, remember to log out on your current device before switching to another. You are now fully set up and can start using Catalyst Professional under your organization's license.